Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD after CPI. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, finally we had the CPI, but we did not get the move we were expecting. You can see that after CPI also, yes, there was some volatility right after news, but market is still trading inside the range only. Strength in the US CPI report boosts the dollar. You can see gold settles lower as US inflation reading shows biggest monthly climb in over a year. Though the articles are pointing towards an upside on the chart of dollar, downside on the chart of gold, but if you open the chart of DXY or US dollar index, we can see that bulls are slowly losing their strength. So technically speaking, there is a good chance that we may get to see some downside deep correction. I won't say that complete trend reversal because trend reversal is a big thing, but we may get to see some deeper retracement, deep correction on the chart of DXY, US dollar index. And the reason is you can see here, if we look at the overall trend of DXY, there is no doubt that this market is an uptrend. But if we look at the present trend of the market here, do you think that this market is under the dominance of buyers? Bulls are dominating this market? Obviously no. We can see a sideways market, and if we observe the highs here, you can see the market is forming lower highs in the market. Okay, so formation of lower highs indicate that buyers are slowly losing their strength. So there is a possibility that market may go for some deeper correction. Okay, and today we have our retail sales coming up at 6 p.m. Indian time. Just go to economic calendar to check the time in your country. But yes, there will be volatility again. So try to close down your US dollar positions by 5:45 to be on a safer side. New traders, do not gamble with your capital. You'll get plenty of opportunities in the market. You don't need to capital at the time of news. So there is a possibility that we may get to see some downside in the coming days. So because market is forming lower highs, and today before the retail sales, if DXY forms big red candle, then the first support will be around the trend line around 104.25, and the next support will be around 104 level. We have as the DXY chart was in uptrend for quite some time, so we have multiple layers of support. Let's wait and watch. The volatility will decide. But and the previous support of 104.4 is also valid. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Now let's look at the chart of gold here. So gold is trading inside a tight range, yes, narrow range. Yesterday after the news, when our support level of 1905 worked, to be honest, I was surprised. Okay, because in event like CPI, we do not expect the immediate support to work. Okay, when it worked, to be honest, I did not take position because I was not ready. Right now we can see that gold is standing at 1909 right now. Okay, this is the range of gold. What is the range? Around 1916 we have the resistance, the previous support. Remember previous support, the previous support is acting as resistance right now, and at the bottom we have 1904 to 1905. So 1916, 1904, 05. This is the range of gold right now. So as long as gold is inside the range, my dear friends, listen to me carefully. As long as gold is inside the range, okay, as the market is sideways, in sideways market, buyers and sellers are equal. So your strategy can be simple: buy at support, sell at resistance. So if market reverses from 116, not 116, 1916, sorry. If market reverses for 1916, 1917 level, if you see that market is showing price rejection from above, you can go for a sell position. Okay, if you see the market is struggling, market is showing price rejection, you can hit the sell button. Similarly, if you see the market is going down, market is taking support around 1906 to 1904, and before the news, there's a high chance that market will take support, because look at the price rejection yesterday. The price rejection yesterday gave us the confirmation about the presence of strong buyers around the area, and before retail sales report, we can definitely expect that market will get support around 1904, 1905 level. Simply switch to 15 minutes time frame, because levels like this, confirmation on 1 hour time frame is also slow. Okay, usually I tell you that you can get a confirmation on hourly time frame, 15 minutes time frame, but in this type of levels you can simply go to for 15 minutes time frame, because you may not get a chance to enter if you wait for a confirmation on the hourly time frame. So if you see the market is showing price rejection from above, you can enter immediately. So as long as market is trading inside the range before the news, keep in mind, before the news, you can buy at support, sell at resistance. But if you see that market is going up, or if you see the market is going up, market is standing at the resistance with a big green candle, obviously market is going to break the resistance. Common sense. So in that case, your second selling opportunity will be around 1923. It can be 1923, it can be 1924. Okay, around this area you will have the second opportunity to take a sell position. Why? We can see we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and along with that we also have the 200 moving average around the area. In addition to that, we can also see previous price rejection. So 1923, 24, this is also a very good level. So around this level we can expect that we will get this next opportunity to take the sell position on the chart of gold. If market reverses, if market shows price rejection from above around this area, we can go for a sell. Clear? So these are the two levels where you can go for sell. 1920, see, as already market has tested 1916 level many times. As a result, 1923, 24 seems to be a better level right now, because market has already tested the level of 1915 to 1916 many times, and the level is not that strong right now. Keep in mind. And on the other hand, 1904, 1905, the support is still very much valid. As I said earlier, if gold bounces from the level, we can definitely go for a buy position. And in case gold breaks it, okay, in case gold breaks 1904, 1905, we have the next support around 1900 level. Because you can see at 1900 level, we have the next FIBO level of the FIBO 78.6% retracement level. We have FIBO 78.6% retracement at 1900 level. Plus 1900 is a round number, it's a psychological support. And if you look at the options data here, you can see at 1900 we have the highest number of contracts, and the best thing is that we can see plus 30 contracts at 1900 level. So this gives us the confidence that we have good buyers around 1900 level. I will go for a buy. Okay, at least in this market situation, if I see that gold is going down without news, then obviously I'll go for a buy limit at 1900 level as well. So let's wait and watch how the market reacts. Be careful, do not try to gamble with your capital at the time of news. Try to follow the trend of the market, because when fundamentals will dominate the market, you need to follow the fundamentals, not the technicals. Okay, if market takes a trend. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow, and please follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. You need to do your own analysis as well. Okay, take care, see you tomorrow.